my name's Carl Shillingford. I'm down at the Essex estuary, Britain's last wilderness. We've got lots of bits and pieces down here. Just looking around at the moment, we've got some samphire, we've got some sea purslane, some sea spurry, lots and lots of different plants down by the Essex coast. So what we've got down here is lots of different flavours, textures, wild flavours, raw, that I tend to use in lots of my foods that I make in my little place. All the recipes are unique. There's no books that you can buy. There's no commercial sense to it to do a book and that kind of thing. So it's really fun. You get the raw ingredients and you work with it. It's different tastes and textures that you can just make your own. So I mean, from a cook's point of view, it's just fantastic. Yeah, Essex as a county, it's a big county, and you've got the towns, you've got the seaside, and you've got a huge chunk of countryside as well. From my point around foraging and that, the footpaths are fantastic. You can have a little walk there. You can find all kinds of bits and pieces, from hawthorns to crab apples to blackberries. I mean, who hasn't picked a blackberry when they've been out for a walk? So it's quite a diverse county in its way, and there's lots of countryside to explore. There's about 10,000 fungus in the British Isles. Most of them are just inedible, not particularly dangerous. I mean, some you might break your teeth on if you try to eat. Some just almost dissolve in your hand. Edibles, you've got about 360, and the poisonous, around about that, say about 250, 260 of a poisonous mushroom. It's diverse. When you've got this much stuff here, remember all this seagrass here, as I was saying, it's pre-seasoned. It's done. You could pick some, boil some water, drop it in there 30 seconds, you got your dinner. If you want to get a little bit more extravagant, you can make a nice little pesto with it, which I'm hoping to find the bits and pieces for later. We might make a nice little seashore pesto, which is on par with any pesto you would get from Italy, and it's all local produce and bits and pieces. So literally want to have a little look around, show you a few different plants, their different tastes, their different textures. I just basically show you what Essex has got to offer.